Hey guys, Yoduvh Essentials here. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a makeover for the front of this stairwell. I offer consultancy services and I already had a session with this client and she already tackled the balusters by painting it gold as I suggested. I later decided to go ahead and help her with just the front of the stairwell. I'm going to start by moving out the pieces and applying wallpaper to this wall. This used to be at the corner here, but it does not go with the wallpaper at all. So we're going to be changing the fabric to something much more brighter. My client does a lot of DIYs, so she had bling wrap, and I'm going to be using her bling wrap to cover up the staple pins. Like I said before, she loves DIY projects, so this fireplace was painted white by her. And I will be adding gold reflective paper at the bottom part. I'm going to be putting back all the pieces together so you guys can see what the front of the stairwell now looks like. I changed some items and still used some of the owner's personal items. Little changes has transformed the front of the stairwell, and it's a huge difference from what it used to look like before. The next couple of ideas is for the curtains using some Dollar Tree items. I'll be using wooden dowels and a Dollar Tree photo frame. Now I'm going to be covering up the cutout wooden dowel with reflective paper. And the link for all the items that I'll be using in this project is going to be down in the description box below. Now, because the top and the bottom of the dowel is wood and it's still showing, I'm going to be covering that up with cutout pieces from this trim. I actually glued 2 Dollar Tree frames together to make it stronger. The next idea would be to use bling wrap, curtain clips, and a chopping mat. You can also use an old strap for a wristwatch that you don't use anymore. You can also use beads. Another fun way to hold your curtains is to use table mats. And I'll be using this particular one. And I'll be cutting it into two and holding it with strings. Thank you guys so much for watching. I have the home decor DIY videos that are linked in the description box below to check them out. And for those of you who have not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button.